if you're looking for some finishing tools or some chiseler tools, these are what you're gonna find on our website, okay? Let me just start off by talking about these three little tools here. These little tools right here have started outside of our industry. They're very rigid little tools, and they have certain smooth shapes about them. Let me just start off by saying these tools have shown up where you can scrape stickers off windows, or you can scrape gum off the bottom of your shoe. I've seen them in lots of places, but they're making their way into our tent pouches, and we're able to detail the window film. After usually we've installed it, we can go with this little tool and we can push things down into, cracks and crevices. We can massage, with different, we got a gentle curve here. We got a more sharp curve here, just a long, we can do so many things with these little tools to detail our window film. Maybe we have a piece of trash or some contamination and we want to heat the outside of the glass and we want to massage it, we've got a tool for it. If we want to work on a little crease or something, these are the tools that a lot of guys like to use. These are similar in the hardness of the plastics, and they're very, very thin on the edge. Sometimes people have claimed that little pink ones especially will last, they won't last as long as the white one. The white one is a little harder, stiffer, and thicker. The edges are a little thicker. They're not as thin as these two. Anyway, this is the Lil Chizler series. Very inexpensive tools. If you haven't tried them, try all three and see which one you like the best. This is another version of these chiseler tools. Somebody has come along and said, hey, let's offer more variety in our industry for people who like to detail things out of their window film. This is probably the more popular of the two, the Gator blade. This is the Gator Blade 2. Again, same tool, just different designs that may allow you to detail and chisel and push and in different ways. But this is a design here that gives you rigidness, stiffness, so that you can really put a lot of force down on this tool. I would recommend all these tools, you keep sanded, and you keep the little plastic burrs from possibly scratching your window film. Same with this one, because where they're in the molds, those are plastic injection molding technologies. There's little places where the molds were. I would say, first thing you do when you buy these tools, sand them down, get them real smooth, and use them for the little, fine little places you want to push down, and maybe use this one to help the film feed it into the gasket. Be creative. You can do all kinds of things with these tools, but they're very small, they're very inexpensive, and if you like to have finishing tools, you need this for your collection.